Your boiler is only as good as the water inside of it. Take care of your boiler and its contents with State BT128, comprehensive and concentrated boiler treatment, all in one product. BT128 is an all-in-one boiler water treatment for both the conditioning of boiler water and the prevention of corrosion in condensate lines. It combines a powerful scale and sludge control agent with oxygen scavengers and neutralizing amines. This unique combination provides corrosion control throughout the boiler system, maximizes the life of your equipment, and reduces costly maintenance. BT128 prevents energy-robbing scale and reduces boiler sludge to minimize your energy costs. It uses an easy-to-test product tracer that allows for quick and simple product-level determination. BT128 contains all of the ingredients necessary in one drum, meaning there is no need to mix chemicals, making it simple and safer to use. A single pump can be used to feed BT128 and reduce the cost for costly, complex feed pumps. BT128 is NSF G7 certified and CFIA authorized for use in federally inspected meat and poultry processing plants where the treated water or steam will not contact edible products. BT128, all-in-one boiler treatment. Another great product from State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.